بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to discuss the three types of Arabic words. We have the word al-kalima. Al-kalima means the word. Al-kalima means the word. So al-kalima, the word, in other words, any Arabic word or every Arabic word will be either one of three types. These three types are called ismun, fi'lun, or harfun. In other words, every single Arabic word will either be ismun or fi'lun or harfun. There is no fourth category. So what is ismun? Ismun is person, place, thing, idea, adjective, adverb, and more. For example, we have the word Ahmad, a person, Cape Town, a place, desk, a thing. That's all ismun. Those are all nouns. Those are all ismun. The word love, an idea or an abstract noun, it's ismun. The word tall, an adjective, is ismun. The word quickly, an adverb, ismun. So ismun are all, it's a broad category comprising of all of those different words. For convenience, we're going to refer to ismun as noun, but know that it's more than a noun. The word fi'lun is a verb, a doing word, an action word, and the verb can be past tense, present tense, or future tense. For example, he ate, past tense verb, that is fi'lun. She is reading, the is reading, present tense verb, fi'lun. You will study, a future tense verb, fi'lun. The word harfun is a word that makes no sense except if there is a word after it. For example, some prepositions like in, to, until, by. The meaning is incomplete unless it's followed by another word, or a conjunction like and, or. These words require a word after it to complete the meaning. These are going to be called harfun, which we will refer to as particle. So those are the three types of words in the Arabic language: ismun, fi'lun, and harfun. So what this means is that when you look at Arabic text, whether it is the Quran or any text, every single word will either be ismun, fi'lun, or harfun. For example, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, bi, in, or by, or with, is harfun. It's a little word. Ism means name, ismun. The word Allah, lafzul jalala, is ismun. The word Ar-Rahman, ismun. Ar-Rahim, ismun. Iyaka, you, ismun. Na'budu, we worship, an action, therefore fi'lun. Wa, and, a little word that doesn't make sense except if something comes after it, therefore wa is harfun. Iyaka, ismun. Nasta'inu, fi'lun, for example. Some examples of ismun are rasulun. Rasulun is a messenger. Rasulun is a person, therefore rasulun is ismun. The word baytun is a house, a thing, therefore the word baytun is ismun. The word al-muslimu means the Muslim, therefore the Muslim is a person, it is ismun. Al-kitabu, the book, is ismun. Tawilun al-madinatu hubbun sari'un. Tawilun means tall, al-madinatu means city, the city. Hubbun means love, sari'un means quickly, jannatun means a garden, ayatun a sign or a verse, azizun means mighty, makkatu a place, Makkah. All of these words are ismun. If we look at ismun, besides the meaning, there is some indication on the word, on the actual word that indicates it's ismun. So if you look carefully at this, pause the video, look carefully and try to identify which patterns there are, which signs there are that these words are ismun. So how do we recognize ismun? So the primary way to recognize ismun is to know the meaning. In other words, if the meaning is person, place, thing, idea, adjective, adverb, or something else which is similar, then it will be ismun. However, there are three signs that we can see, visible signs on the word to indicate that it is ismun. For example, the word al, alif, lam, al. The word al at the beginning of a word means the. So therefore, if a word has al, this is a sign that it is ismun. For example, al-muslimu, the Muslim, al-kitabu, the book. If a word begins with al, then 99.9% of the time it will be ismun. If a word ends with un, an, or in, double u, double a, double e, this is called tanween. If it ends with un, an, or in, and then it's a sign that the word is ismun. For example, the word rasulun, baytun ends with un, therefore it is ismun. Finally, if a word ends with ta marbuta, at-ta'ul marbuta, if it ends with ta marbuta, then the word is also ismun. For example, the word jannatun, ayatun, these are both ismun because they end with ta marbuta. So we have a few verses of Surah Yasin, the first opening 9 verses. Pause the video, read the entire slide, and identify the ismun. In other words, identify the word that has an al at the beginning, or it has a tanween, un, and in at the end, or it has a ta marbuta at the end. So pause the video and try to identify all the ismun. Now we're going to share the answers. All the ismun, every ism, the plural is asma, every ism, all the asma, they are all highlighted in red. For example, if we begin the surah, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم. So the word wa is actually a separate word which means by, for an oath. So the word is al-Qur'ani. The word al-Qur'an starts with alif lam, therefore it is ismun. Al-Hakimi in red also starts with alif lam, therefore it's ismun. Al-Mursalina, alif lam, ismun. Siratin ends with tanween, ismun. Mustaqimin ends with tanween, ismun. Al-Azizi, Ar-Rahimi, both have al, ismun. Qawman, ismun. Al-Qawlu, alif lam. Aghlalan has tanween, an, therefore it's ismun. Al-Adhqani has alif lam, therefore it's ismun. Saddan, twice there, it has an, tanween at the end, therefore it's ismun. So that's just a brief guide. So in summary, all Arabic words are divided into one of 3 types. In summary, today's lesson was that al-kalima, every Arabic word, is either one of 3 types, which is ismun, fi'lun, or harfun. And secondly, the ismun has 3 identifiers, 3 signs that could possibly be there to show its ismun, which is the al at the beginning, the tanween at the end of the word, un and in, or a ta marbuta. Those are the 3 signs that a word is ismun. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.